Jai Hind everyone. Today I, Cadet Rupali from 1st Punjab Girls Battalion is going to speak on the topic COVID preventive measures. As the number of people with COVID-19 continues to increase in the current pandemic, everyone has a role to play in taking care of ourselves and slowing the spread of the new coronavirus. The coronavirus spreads mainly from person to person. This can happen between people who are in close contact with one another. Droplets that are produced when an infected person coughs or sneezes may land in the mouths or noses of people who are nearby or possibly be inhaled into their lungs. A person infected with coronaviruses, even one with no symptoms, may emit aerosols when they talk or breathe. Aerosols are infectious virus particles that can float or drift around in the air for up to 3 hours. Another person can breathe in these aerosols and become infected with the coronavirus. This is why everyone should wear a mask when they go out in the public. Anyone who comes into close contact with someone who has COVID-19 is at increased risk of becoming infected themselves and of potentially infecting others. So the following actions will help you to prevent the spread of COVID-19 as well as another coronaviruses. Wear a mask as advised by the CDC, that is Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Maintain at least 6 feet of distance between yourself and others. Avoid large gatherings. Socialize outdoors. Use sanitizers time to time. Avoid close contact with people who are sick. Minimize touching your eyes, nose and mouth. Stay home when you are sick. Cover your cough or sneeze with a tissue and then throw the tissue in the trash. Clean frequently touched objects and surfaces regularly. Wash your hands often with soap and water. Get vaccinated as soon as you are eligible, etc. The following measures must be kept in mind. So stay home, stay safe and fight with corona. Thank you.